Hey guys, this video has absolutely nothing to do with gaming and everything to do with me dyeing my own hair to blonde. It's gonna happen. I think it's gonna be great. I did the research and realized that it was gonna cost a ton of money to pay somebody to do it, so I could just get like this box of hair dye from Walmart and do it myself, right? So instead I'll just get this box of Color Oops from Walmart and do it myself, because that'll work out great, right? I did about 5 minutes of internet research and found that the Color Oops stuff has really great reviews. Apparently it stinks, but it works. However, it probably is not going to work on my red hair color that I've had for a million years, so this video is either to document that it worked or that it failed, and I figured if it was a fail you guys would really want video of it. So right now my hair is, I haven't colored in a while, so it's really gross, and it's dirty today, so you get all the full glory. And I don't know if you can see from here. Oh wait, we can zoom in, hold on, it'll be great. You're on. So we got here is wiry little grays and dark hair and a bunch cheap red hair dye that I've taken from boxes and put onto my head over the last few years. So I'm really confident that this is going to turn out perfectly well. So we're going to try this. And I'm sure, I made my hair look worse. I'm sure it's going to go really, really great. So I'll do an after video of it as well. And then I got like this $1.50 keratin protein treatment for afterwards. Because I'm sure I'll need something because my hair is already damaged. So I'm going against all of the recommended things, which is like if you have damaged hair, don't do this to your hair. It's not going to work on like semi-permanent fun colors and whatever, but I figure it's faded enough right now for me using cheap shampoo that it'll probably work, right? Ha! Also picked up at Walmart while I was there, electronic duster because my computer keyboard is gross. Did you know you have to be 18 to buy this? I didn't know. So like the little self-checkout lady came by and she's like, we just have to make sure you're 18 and because the kids they'll huff it or something. I didn't know. I just thought my keyboard was dirty. Which brings me into another point for another video I'll do later, much later, about Ibotta and how I use their checkout for whatever. Anyway, we're gonna try this out and I'll be back in just a second. I just burped. I'm gonna try this out and I'll be back in a second and we'll see if it worked or if I look like a clown. I can work with clown. Someone's decided to vacuum on my video making day. Okay, how did it turn out? Was it a good thing or a fail? Drum roll, please. Blah, 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 blah. I don't hate it at all. Not even a little bit. Is it a color I would have picked on purpose? No, but it took out all the color evenly. I still got my grays. It's not bad. I'm pretty excited. Okay, so the whole process took a lot longer than I thought. A couple things with this, again, if you guys got bored and moved on and forgot what I was talking about, it's the Color Oops stuff. I tried it for the first time. I thought I had to go spend like $10 billion to get the red out of my hair, and you can definitely still see some red, but hey, I'll take it for now. A lot of people are complaining about the smell. This is gonna sound really weird, but like as soon as I put it on my hair, the first bit, I was like, this reminds me of my childhood, sitting on the front porch at my grandma's house as she permed my hair. It smelled like whatever that perm solution is. And let me tell you, she pulled those curls really, really tight so that I thought my eyes were gonna pop out of my head for like the next 3 days. But it smells like perm solution, so if you've ever smelled that, it does have a little bit of a sulfury smell. I didn't think it was that bad. Now, it tells you to wash your hair afterwards for like 25 minutes, and I did. And I put this deep conditioning keratin protein pack that I got for like $1.77 at Walmart. I'll put links down below if you'd like. So it was pretty cheap. Left that on for 10 minutes. The whole process took way longer than I thought. So let me break this down. It was about 5 or 10 minutes to put it on, a little bit longer because I took pictures. Then you leave it on for 20 minutes. And then you have to wash your hair, rinse, wash your hair, rinse, wash, all that stuff for like 25 minutes. And then I did the deep conditioning stuff for another 10. So we're looking at a pretty good investment of like an hour. However, I'm not disappointed in the results. I'm gonna leave this for a week and see where I'm at and see what I'd like to do because I don't want to overdo my hair. I do have dry, damaged hair. I've been coloring my own hair since I was like 15 or something. Who knows what the natural color is at this point, but I would recommend it. I have no complaints. I mean, my hair was brassy red to start with. It is not totally dried out. I did that deep conditioning. It was dry when I was rinsing it. I was like, ugh, it feels like caked on hair that I couldn't get my fingers through, but when I did the conditioning treatment and left it on, it was fine. I can brush right through it. It's still definitely, you can tell my hair is damaged. I've been dyeing it my whole life, but 10 out of 10 would do it again. Thanks for watching my video, and if I do more hair color, maybe I'll do like a follow-up. That would be cool. Also, we have gaming content on here and clip videos and fun stuff. Hang out at the Mommy Gamers, and thank you for your time. Bye!